Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today just going to have a look at my track cleaning machine. This is an American item. It's known as a CMX track cleaner, and when you buy it from the company, who are they? amhobby.com. It comes in a box with the item itself. A big roll of this felt cleaning pads, which you cut to a particular length, and then you attach them onto this plate on the bottom, and these clips go around and hold the felt pad in place. On the top of the tanker itself, you've got two turning knobs. Okay, one here with the CMX on it. That is a filling port. So there it is, and it has a little O-ring on it, rubber O-ring, and you just fill the tanker with something like a syringe or a pipette, and then you put this back on. Now there's a little hole there, and don't wind this all the way back up tight. You have to leave a little air gap so the air can get in there, and when you go to open this turning knob here, this goes anti-clockwise to open, and this starts to release and open a valve in the bottom of the plate. So the solution will now drip from the tanker onto the felt pad. This base here is spring loaded, so it travels along the track smoothly. Now, just before I started filming, sometimes after using this for a very long time, you'll find when you're trying to open the this knob here to get the solution to come out, it can be a bit stiff. This actually comes off all the way, and if I just keep on turning it, you'll see eventually it'll come out, and you can see there about halfway down after this black O-ring, it's threaded. So if you clean those threads with something like a cotton bud and a bit of white spirits, that'll clean it up nicely. And just clean this as well, and you're good to go again. It'll turn nice and freely. Normally the drip rate you want for this tanker, when you have it on the track, you'll see the solution coming down through just kind of where that spring is there, and if you have, say, a drop coming down every kind of 2.5 seconds, that's the perfect drip rate. Just, you'll need a reasonably powerful locomotive. This is solid brass. Also in the box you have instructions for the CMX clean machine tanker, and it'll just give you all the details on the item itself. Also in this, it has the operating instructions, general information about track and wheel cleaning, and believe it or not, chemist reviews of the CMX clean machine, and then comments and suggestions, and then user reviews of cleaning cars on the back. So pretty comprehensive. The guys that make this, they're really standing behind it, and I tell you, it saves so much time cleaning track by hand. If you've got a reasonably big layout, something like this is very valuable. Saw Everard Junction doing his video on the CMX, and that must be going back to, I would say, 2012, maybe even 2011, so a long time ago. And soon after that, when I started getting back into railways, I said I was going to invest in one of these items. They are expensive. It's expensive as a locomotive. So it cost me about, I think it was $99 from the United States, but it's well worth it. I think this has a very long guarantee on it now, solid brass. And on the box there, it gives you further breakdown of the item. So it's precision machined, solid brass, body mounted KDs. That's the other thing, should have mentioned that. This is an American item, it has KD couplers. Now they are held on by screws, you might be able to take that off and put another type of coupler on that. But I have vehicles with KDs, so it's not too much of an issue. So it has the KDs, so easy fill design, and it exactly is, and she's completely leak proof. Now, heavy weight is that 1/3 of a pound, so I don't know what that translates, but this is very, very heavy. Quick change pads, they are very easy, so you just cut them to length, and you can see as they start to get dirty, you can pop it in water and give it a good scrub with something like dish soap, washing up liquid, that kind of thing, and they come up. You can use them over and over. What else have we got? Spill resistance, solvent proof, absolutely, and solvent abrasive use, and multi-directional, so your locomotive can either pull it or it can push it, and it's very handy for sidings, so you can use it everywhere. So it's brilliant. Thoroughly recommend them. Going to show you some footage of her in action. Very durable, very strong, very easy to use. Just a small bit of maintenance. You can see it there. Just clean that, and I also cleaned just this little where the valve is at the bottom there, just with something like cotton bud with a little bit of clean solution on it, and it'll keep everything perfect. Okay, so that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Thoroughly recommend it if you can find them. They also do this in N scale. Obviously this is HO scale, but it works obviously on 00 scale, and I'm not quite sure about O scale. Possibly, I am not sure, but definitely N scale. I think they do in O scale as well. So I recommend it. It's called the CMX clean machine, and I'll show you a bit of footage in a while. Oh yes, there we go. Best rail cleaning system for HONN, so they don't do O. Yeah, so if you have an N scale layout, you can buy one of these as well. Okay, so that's it from me. I'll have another video in as soon as I can, and until then I'll leave you with some footage of this clean machine in action. Take care, bye.